Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to change the color of a graph in Mathematica. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to differentiate between different graphs using different colors. So I'll be showing you how to change the color of a graph in Mathematica today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to zoom in a bit so the code is easier to see. And I'm just going to create a quick basic sine plot. Great, so if I plot that, as you can see, the basic or the generic color that comes is blue. And if you want to change this, what you're going to do is inside the plot function, you're going to type a comma and you're going to type plot style and put an arrow and then put in the color that you want to change to. So if I run this, as you can see, the color of my plot has now changed to orange, which is what I typed with plot style orange. And that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to change the color of a graph in Mathematica, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.